Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove all the shortcut icons into your Windows operating system. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here you can see we will just give you the steps that you can follow and remove your shortcut icons. So it's very simple, just come over the search option and search for registry editor over here, you can see. So if you now click on that, click yes for the permission, and you can see you open registry editor. And if you now maximize it, and if you now click on the HK local machine and open it and go for the software sections. So after open Microsoft, then we need to search for Windows. So it's very easy, just click on that only one and type your or click your W button in your keyboard section, and you can see you find out Windows over here. And if you now open it, and here we just need to open, here you just need to go for current version, you can see over here. So if you now click on that, and here we need to search for Explorer, you can see here is an Explorer. So if you click on your right mouse button and click on new and click key, and if you type here shell space icons and click enter, and after that come over these shell icon options, and here you just need to click on new and create a string value, and if we name it as 29, and now here you just need to click on 2 times, and here will be your edit string options will be open, and now you just need to give a value over here. So just coming over my notepad and just going to copy it. Don't worry, I will give it to you into comment sections. I will be pinned it. Don't worry, just paste it over here like this and click OK. And then after completing it, just close it. And then if you go your start icon, and if you click on your right mouse button and go for task manager, you can see, so click on that, and here you can see here is your task manager and all the apps are working. So if you scroll down a little bit, don't able to find your file explorer over there, just click on that file explorer and just minimize it, and you can see it over here at the top, that. And if you now click on right mouse button and click on restart, and this will solve your shortcut icon problems in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.